As a designer, you may want to use different photos for your projects. And with VistaCreate, that becomes very easy because you can easily access out different photos by going around onto the photos section on the left hand side. So over here, you can see some trending photos that you can use. For example, you can click right here and the photo is added in right here. And whatever photo you add in, you can move them around and work around with the effects and so forth to get the look of the photo as you like. So over here, you can also see the recent photos that you used. But if you are searching for a specific photo with a specific theme, then you can go around onto the search photos section right here and type in what you're searching for. Let's say, for example, I'm searching for computer. Then you can simply type that in and press enter. And what happens is that computer related images pop up. The one with the diamond are the premium ones, so you cannot use them for free, but the ones without are free to use. So let's say you want to use this photo right here. You can simply click and the photo is added in right here. You can scroll down and add in more photos as you can see right here. Let's say I'm searching for education related photos. So I can just go around and type that in and press enter. Then there you go. There's education related photos right there. I'm going to go to education and let's say college. So let's throw in two words over there as well. And now it'll bring in relevant images. Like there's a photo of a graduation, as you can see right here, like with graduate. So you can utilize this picture right here. And that is how you can search and add in photos to your projects inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.